Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Really nice to see you again. And if you are a new watcher, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Indira and on this channel I post interior design related videos. I have so far done a few makeover videos. I think I've done a kitchen makeover video and I've done a bathroom makeover video. I've also done a tiny Christmas type DIY type of video. If you haven't seen those yet, I welcome you to go and have a look, and you might like it, you never know. So have a look and see if you like it, and subscribe if you do like it. In this video I will be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about ways in which you can make a small space look and feel larger than it is. So if you are someone who lives in a small space, or you have a small room that you don't know what to do with, or you feel like it's a bit cluttered, do stay tuned. Just a disclaimer, although I am an interior designer by trade, I am self-taught. So this is going to be just my opinion on things and how I feel about it. If you have any other ideas or thoughts, do comment below. I would love to see your opinions, and I would love to see what you think and other tips that you would give and what you have done as well. So I will be giving 5 tips on how to make a small space look and feel larger than it is. So tip number 1, which I think is the most common thing that people go to, is to use light colors, because we all know that light colors reflect natural light better than dark colors do. So, but I wouldn't necessarily say that you go straight to a white color. I mean, you can use any light color. I mean, if you say, so let's say you wanted to use like a blue color, I would say you pick from the lightest blue in that spectrum. For example, a lot of people have been using grey tones. I've seen some people use beige tones as well, and what is really popular at the moment are sort of off-white colors, something that is like a white mixed grey, but it's like a really light shade of grey, so that you wouldn't be looking at like a brilliant white wall. The wall would have some type of nuance to it. Tip number 2, glass furniture is really good to give the illusion that there's space, obviously, because if you're using glass furniture, you're able to see through it, which means there's nothing blocking your view. You can see through the floor. I mean, it looks kind of invisible. You can see through the floor, you can see beyond the table, you can see through it, which give the illusion that the room is bigger, because glass makes it look like there's nothing there. Also, I'm not going to make this tip number 3, but I'm going to say for tables, for example, you want to use like round tables, because round tables don't block off space. If in a small space you're using like a rectangle or a square table, for example, it's like you're sectioning off that space, so to speak. But using a round table, since you are able to see through the table, it doesn't section off the space. It kind of looks like something is kind of just swerving in whatever space you're using. As a tip number 3, you want to create length in the room. A high ceiling can make your room appear bigger than it is. So one way to create length is by using curtain, like ceiling to floor curtains. So I would advise that you place your curtains, your curtain rod, your curtain pole as high as possible, as close to the ceiling as possible, and use a full length curtain. This will create length in the room, thus making the room appear and feel bigger than it is. So I would say tip number 4, mirror reflects light, and also if you have like a large mirror, that like a long mirror that covers, you know, like a large section of the wall, you know, you see through it, it looks like you're sitting, well, because you're seeing through it, it looks like you're seeing like double amount of the room, so that will make the space appear bigger than it is. Tip number 5, using furniture that have legs. I would say TV benches and sofas, for example, and bookcases, because sometimes you can get TV benches that have no leg. They kind of just sit on the surface. I don't know how to explain this, but I will be putting up some pictures for you to see what I mean. So if you use a TV bench that has legs on them, where there's a bit of distance between the bench itself and the floor, it will make the room appear bigger because you're able to see the floor underneath, and the more of the floor you can see, the more your room will appear bigger than it is. So that was it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed my tips, and do let me know again if you have any other tips, any other things that you did to make your room or your space feel bigger. Do let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and I will be seeing you very soon. I'm committing to posting a video at least at the end of every week. It might be a Friday, Saturday or Sunday, time will tell. But yeah, I will be posting more videos. I hope you keep watching, you keep subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. Again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.